Lovely.
Some police band there.
His Excellency Nana akufo-addo. Thank you very much, Mr. President. We're grateful for your presence. Permit me to introduce the Kwabenya Manche Ni Abi Ukamfla Sikanku the third.
To welcome you all to the sword cutting ceremony for the rehabilitation of the Dome-Kitase road projects. Particularly, I wish to extend a heavy welcome to His Excellency President Nana akufo-addo for honoring us with his presence. I also extend a warm welcome to His Excellency, the Ambassador, Embassy of the State of Kuwait, and all other dignitaries present for this ceremony. Your Excellency, President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Honorable Kwesi Amwakwata MP, Minister of Roads and Highway, Honorable Seth Kwame Champon, Eastern Regional Minister, my colleague, Honorable Obi Amoa, and MP and Deputy Minister of Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development. Mr. President, Accra is grateful. Mr. President, Akufo-Addo, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, indeed, today's ceremony is yet another indication amongst many of the commitment of the President Akufo-Addo-led government to improve the road infrastructure in the country. I passionately appeal to the contractor to consider engaging some of the qualified local artisans within the catchment area to serve as a source of employment opportunities for them. Together with my brother, the Eastern Regional Minister, we pledge our full commitment and support to the contractor, consultants, and the supervisory ministry, Minister of Roads and Highways, to ensure smooth commencement and completion of the projects. On this note, I once again welcome you all to the sword cutting ceremony of the rehabilitation of the Dome-Kitase road. Thank you very much. You are done.
Central, Eastern Regional Minister, the Minister for Roads and Highways and Member of Parliament for Atiwa West, the Deputy Minister for Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development, and Member of Parliament for Akuapem South, the Deputy Minister for Roads and Highways and Member of Parliament for Pru West, Deputy Minister for Roads and Highways and Member of Parliament for Fijesechi, the Chief Executive Officer of the Ghana Free Zones Board, Municipal Chief Executive for Ghana East Municipal Assembly, Municipal Chief Executive for Akuapem South Municipal Assembly, Chief Director of the Ministry of Roads and Highways, the founder and president of Ashesi University, His Excellency the Kuwaiti Ambassador to Ghana and members of the Diplomatic Corps, representative of the Kuwaiti Fund, the Chief Executive Officer of Messieurs First Air Construction Limited, Tubo Jankwesi, bringing in Adontehene of the Akuapem Traditional Council, the acting president of the Akuapem Traditional Council. Therefore, Tim Kranchi II, Brekusuhene and Trafuhene of the Akuapem Traditional Council, Nana Kwesi Ankra, Kitase Hene, other traditional rulers, residents of Dome, fellow Ghanaians, ladies and gentlemen. For a road which serves as a vital link between the Greater Accra and Eastern regions, and whose construction has been the subject of promises made by various political parties and successive governments over the years. I am happy that it is under the presidency of akufo-addo that the rehabilitation of the Dome-Kitase road is finally being undertaken. The 23-kilometer stretch of road connects the Accra to Kumasi road to the Accra-Eburi-Koforidua road and provides an alternative route to road users between Accra and Eburi. The road also provides access to Aseshi University, one of our nation's foremost and most prestigious universities. The rehabilitation of the Dome-Kitase road is being funded by the government of Ghana and the Kuwaiti Fund. We enjoy excellent relations with the state of Kuwait. We're determined to widen and deepen those relations. Ambassador of Kuwait, thank you for your presence here and for the contribution of your country. The works, estimated at 35 million United States dollars, and scheduled to be completed within 24 months from today, are being undertaken by Messrs. First Sky Construction Limited, one of the best road construction companies in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, this project and many other road projects across the country asphaltic overlaying works throughout the country are also ongoing. 1,005 kilometers were completed between 2017 and 2020. And 739 kilometers of asphaltic overlay have been completed between 2021 and now. Government's target of constructing in this second term of my presidency 1,500 kilometers of asphalt overlay works is very much on course. I will urge the Ministry of Roads and Highways to put in place the necessary traffic management measures to reduce any inconvenience to the public during the construction period. And I urge further the contractor, Messrs. First Sky Construction Limited, to ensure the completion of the project on time and on budget. May God bless us all in our homeland Ghana and make it great and strong. I thank you for your attention.
No, we're not. Yeah. So, that means if it was,
very much at this juncture, His Excellency the President, together with the ministers on the days.
extent of 4.3
Lovely.
The wall now. Yeah. We need to continue to
Put the wall back.
the